Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to set up Thinkorswim for day trading. First, download and install the Thinkorswim platform on your computer. Once installed, log in using your brokerage account credentials. Next, we will customize the main interface, adjusting panels and windows to create an efficient workspace tailored for day trading. This foundational setup is crucial for quick access to all necessary tools. Now, let's configure your charts for effective day trading. Adjust the chart settings to display intraday data, focusing on smaller timeframes. Add key technical indicators such as moving averages and volume profiles to your charts. It is also beneficial to set up multiple timeframes, perhaps a 1-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute chart for a comprehensive market view. Next, we will focus on efficient order management. Familiarize yourself with various order types, including market, limit, and stop orders for precise execution. Configure hotkeys for rapid buy and sell actions, which can save valuable seconds. Practice using the active trader interface for quick, one-click order entry, essential for fast-moving markets. Finally, let's customize your workspace for maximum efficiency. Create and save custom layouts tailored to your specific trading strategies. Set up watch lists to monitor your preferred stocks and potential trading opportunities. For advanced users, explore features like Thinkorswim to create custom studies or automated strategies, further enhancing your day trading setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.